Second, the ears fold. The folded ears of the Scottish fold cat are one of the most striking characteristics of this breed. Normally, cats have erect, standing ears, but in Scottish folds, their ears fold forward and down. The folded ears of the Scottish fold are caused by a genetic mutation that changes the structure of their ear cartilage. In Scottish fold cats, the cartilage that connects the ears to the head does not develop properly, causing their ears to fold. However, it is important to know that not all Scottish folds have folded ears. There are two types of Scottish fold, namely the Scottish fold with fully folded ears and the Scottish fold with semi-folded ears. Scottish folds with half-folded ears have ears that are only slightly folded or only folded at the top.